What is up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping in. So we are up in the shop. Hopefully you can tell over my left shoulder here we have the Junkyard dog. We're going to be giving a little bit of a makeover. So if you guys haven't been keeping up with this build, this is a 1999 Chevy Silverado, regular cab short bed, 2-wheel drive. It's got a 2-inch lowering shackle in the rear. I got this truck, put a new rear end in it, changed the mirrors. We painted the whole interior white and splatter painted it along with the diff cover and a bunch of other colors. We have a new grille for it right there. It's just the stock one, but we left this centerpiece chrome, and then I painted the outside there black and there black, and then I'm going to do the bow tie white and splatter it black to match the interior. New bumper will be coming. I want to get a chrome one for that just because this one's so dented up and I don't like the color match on this. We put new mirrors on it. Got these 20-inch wheels, which I'm not really, I figured they were going to look a little bit better, but not really. So those are for sale. Probably just going to trade for some stocks. Have tail lights coming. Got the roll pan on. We started debadging it and stuff. Driver's side, we ripped all that stuff off already. I'm going to take all these decals and stuff off. But other than that, we have the cold air intake, which is going to be going on tonight. We have all new oil and filter spark plugs. So hopefully by the end of the night, this thing runs a heck of a lot better. Just to kind of get all the fluids changed. When I did the new rear end, obviously new fluid and stuff back there. Transmission, a lot of guys said don't change it. Just because once you change it, it seems like it doesn't shift like it typically does. So we're not going to touch it. But no, hopefully by the end of the night, we'll have the new grill in. Headlights should be here Monday. I think that's the 26th, but hopefully they'll be here. I have new LED bulbs we're going to be thrown in there. Just kind of sprucing this thing up. And like I said, I want to get a new front chrome bumper for it just to make this thing look a lot better. So that being said, guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this thing. I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride, so stay tuned and let's do this.
Ryan Little.
Just a quick update for you guys. We got the old air box system out. It is over here. I just left the, oh shoot, having a blank. Airflow sensor and all that hooked up. I just pulled everything else apart. So we're going from that to this system over here. This is like 50 bucks off eBay. It's kind of one of the cheaper ones. I didn't really feel like spending $200 on a K&N filter when it's not even, I mean, I don't even have that much in the truck. So I just want to give you guys an update. Jimmy's working on spark plugs right now, getting those changed out. And then once we get all that done, we'll drain the oil, get the new filter on. Okay guys, so we got the cold air intake in. Don't mind the camera shakiness. I am on the tripod here, so I'm just gonna kind of rotate you guys here. But we got it all bolted up like you can see. Mass airflow sensor in there. Everything's buttoned up, ready to rock and roll. Jimmy's working on the spark plugs right now. You got driver's side over here out. Just gotta put new ones in. He's working on getting passenger side out over here. These are a little burnt. I'll say he's gonna grab some real quick and show you guys. So hopefully you guys can see that all right, but they are quite toasty, and driver's side are worse. So hopefully this will kind of help it. Definitely not gonna hurt it. So we're gonna go ahead and get these changed, and then hopefully fire it up.
Ryan Little.
Well, there she be, guys. New grill is in. I pulled the bow tie off, like I said, because we are going to be painting it. I have it down there in paint. Cold air intake is in, not super hard, just kind of, I mean, the directions are kind of self-explanatory, but once you kind of piece everything together, it goes together really simple. Oil is in. We threw some Lucas oil in there. Spark plugs are changed, filters changed, so she sounds really good, idling really well. Hopefully you guys can hear that. But Jimmy's gonna give it a little. So I think the next step is we're just gonna take it to town, get some, probably like 91 to run through it, just clean everything out, get that throttle body nice and clean. I threw some Marble Mystery Oil in there just to kind of help clean it. But I do want to throw some higher octane fuel in there just to help it. But no, I think everything's going together really good. Like I said, headlights will be here hopefully Monday. We'll get that bow tie thrown back in there. I'm going to try and find a nice chrome bumper. This one, the plastic's all pushed out here. It's pushed out on the other side, dent in the front. So I want to get that changed. Like I said, we started debadging it here. I want to get the 1500 emblems off, change to the black mirrors instead of like the chrome cover on this side and the other side being black. Interior's the same. Everything's still white and stuff. But yeah, everything went together very well tonight. Excuse me. We're just kind of letting it idle to let the Lucas oil work its way through the system and stuff, just kind of help lube everything up. But surprisingly, I mean, everything went fantastic tonight, other than Jimmy having a problem with one of the spark plugs on the passenger side, which is kind of cumbersome to even get to. It's this one right back here on that coil pack that runs down. I don't know if you guys can even see it, but right where the tip of my finger is. So you don't have much room between the firewall. Then they also stick a heat shield there, so it's kind of a pain in the butt. But all in all, everything turned out fantastic. I think this truck's starting to turn into something. Everything is pretty much done that I want to get done to it, other than just like cosmetic stuff like the headlights, tail lights, and then like the debadging. But the tune-up kit's on, cold air intake's on, exhaust is on, roll pan we got on. So everything's slowly starting to come together and shape up. Like I said, I do want to find a set of like factory wheels to throw back on here, because the 20s just aren't my style. I figured they were going to look a little bit better, but I think the black wheels look better on this, just because the green is, I don't know, it just doesn't look good with the chrome. But we are going to leave, like I said, the piece up here chrome, and then we're going to get a chrome bumper, and that's it. I think I'm gonna end up sanding the bottom down here and painting it black so it matches the roll pan and stuff. But that's gonna do it for this episode, guys. This is episode, I don't even know, 4 or 5 of the Junkyard build. If you guys like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, share the video, share the channel, guys. We are so close to hitting 6,000 subscribers. We do have Cletus and Cars Indy coming up May 1st. So if you guys are there, be sure to stay tuned because I'm taking the 98 up there. We're gonna be parking in like the VIP parking. So if you guys see me, say hi, don't be shy. Probably be making a video up there anyway. I know Jimmy's gonna be taking his camera to take some pictures and stuff. But other than that, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. So remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.